What's up, guys? Welcome to day 6. Look at this. It's halfway up my leg. We had a big snowstorm here yesterday, so I'm going to have to figure out where I'm running because I'm not going to be able to run on any sidewalks. So I'm going to have to figure out a route. Let's get it.
Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with this, I'm going to try. Just when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die.
So I have a snowblower and I cleared out every house on my street yesterday because we literally got like 12 to 15 inches of snow. I didn't ask for anything, just did it for free. Some people came out and gave me a little bit of money, which was nice, but I didn't want it. It paid for the gas though. I fell when I was doing the one person's driveway, fell right on my back. And of course, right after you fall, you always have to look around and see if anyone saw. And of course, someone did see me fall. So that was a little embarrassing, but whatever. I mean, look at these cars. Completely buried. It's insane. Pretty much no sidewalks are uncovered. So it's all road running for me today. So I'm gonna have to stay on all the side streets and try not to get on any main roads. It was really hard to get motivated today to run in this. I was sore from blowing snow for 8 hours and from falling, and then I knew I was gonna have to run and stuff like this. Literally just trying to follow car tracks. My time is gonna be really slow today, but that's all right because we out here, baby. And I hope you guys are too. I hope you guys are staying on track, staying disciplined, staying motivated. Because in the end, it'll all be worth it. First mile, 8 minutes, 17 seconds. Not too bad for the conditions. I'm surprised. This is exactly what I didn't want to do, was run on a main road. But there's no other option. The sidewalks are completely covered. I did end up going back about 3 hours later to look for the microphone, and I found it laying right where it fell off at. Second mile was 8 minutes and 32 seconds. I ended up having to run on the main road for a little bit, but there's a bike path on this one, so it wasn't too bad. The run ended up being 2.22 miles in total. Please like and subscribe if you're liking the content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.